Just about everywhere you look, the world is changing. In the communities where we live, in the places where we work and play, in the things we count on day in and day out. Behind it all, connected systems and intelligent devices are working tirelessly to help make the things that matter work better. This is the Industrial Internet of Things, and it touches our lives every day in countless ways, helping to increase productivity, efficiency, and reliability, improving the way we manage our natural resources, and responding to our needs often before we even realize it. On a winter morning, a dad gets an alert on his phone. Blizzard expected in 2 days. Across town, a hardware store prepares. The manager orders additional inventory to ensure she's ready to help her customers when the storm hits. Thousands of sensors all across the vast digital infrastructure, from the hardware store to the network to the manufacturer and distribution center, ensure that this vital ecosystem is always on, always maintained, and always secure. In another city, a warehouse processes the order. The factory supply chain adjusts to the changing forecasts. Trucks are rerouted. Sensor networks across the factory ensure inherent safety and precise control is maintained, while predictive diagnostics and proactive services are deployed to minimize downtime and respond to the unexpected demand. Meanwhile, a brand new solar installation and battery storage facility comes online. Hundreds of sensors in the equipment that distributes power from the solar panels to the batteries and grid automatically configure the system and optimize performance. The morning of the storm, the temperature outside drops, and energy demand across the city rises to peak levels. To prepare for the storm, energy storage systems were automatically brought to full capacity. Now, intelligent grid software systems analyze real-time data to predict grid performance and direct the power flow. Demand response controls are deployed to smart breakers in buildings and homes across the city, while non-critical loads are remotely controlled, helping to maintain grid stability and performance. For the Industrial Internet of Things, this is just the beginning, and Eaton is part of it all, supporting and enabling the success of our customers, partners, and stakeholders, providing the power management expertise to power the things that really matter, and to make sure that when we need them most, they're always ready to work.